Okay, we're going over the condition of the panels, what's left to do. As you can see, this is how many dings and dents we've fixed so far. This right here shows any kind of remaining dings. By putting a little shine on it, you can tell what's going on with the panel. It also cleans it. So this is getting smooth. You can see the shine here. On the top is no dings in that area, right? You can see that there's no dings or dents or anything like that. This takes about, it's labeled as 10 hours left to go on this body panel. So here's the one that has, you can see how many dings are still remaining. See, there's a big dent here. There's just so many to the panel, it's just endlessly dinged up. And then you can see on the top here, top of the door, all of these areas in here. Okay, go ahead.
We're gonna do the front end.
Okay, so here's the front. What you want to look at is the shine. And as it goes past areas, you can see the defects in the bodywork. So this is all showing up after it has been media blasted. You see like these areas in here, right? See the areas that are still good, and then the areas that need some help. You see a big dent over here. See the ripples going by in the bodywork in the image of Glenn standing there. And then look at it along the top of the door. Back door's open, right, Ray?
Okay.
The back door's open?
The back door's open. Yeah.
This is pretty decent in comparison to everything else.
Yes.
Some dent here, but
Yes.
you see that go by. Shouldn't be that many dents up there in the first place, but how do you dent that up? Yeah. So it's not been in a car accident, but it's been hammered on a few times. To be gentle about it. And then there's a big dent up here apparently. Let's see. Yeah. Again, look at the shine. You see how it changes shape? That's a dent there. where the antenna goes through. I believe that's an antenna. Or mirror, maybe. So it just has a lot to fix. It's another thing here. And you can see how much we're just having to basically reskin this whole area. But this stuff wasn't known until we media blast to know that we have issues. The shiny spots are where they're low spots. These are all low spots, all these shiny spots, because that's where the sandpaper's not hitting. Okay, thanks for watching. This is what we're going to be painting over.